I am the digital avatar of Mwahib Khairallah. While she's busy doing the real work, a 9 to 5 by day 2 business, by night, she billed me to share what she is learning along the way. The words are all her. I'm simply how to find the time to say them. Welcome to a calm corner of the internet. For a woman over 50, welcome. There is a trap for women who have been told for 30 years that we need one more credential before we are allowed to charge. I refuse. Today, I am talking to the woman who has quietly taken AI courses for 6 months, built a little chatbot, watched 50 YouTube videos, made not a single dollar. I see you. Here is what is on the other side. I am Muahib Khairala. I am in my 50s. I have bought the course, taken the notes, waited to feel ready. Then one day I stopped and I started selling instead. The thing between you and your first $5,000 client is not more knowledge. It is one painful problem in one small business that you can solve in an afternoon with tools you already understand. Let me show you. The local dentist down the street is losing roughly 30% of his after-hours calls. 60% of those people never call back. If he does 600,000 a year, that is 40 to 70,000 a year in lost revenue, sitting on the table every single week. He knows, he just does not know what to do. You can install an AI receptionist in one afternoon, set up 90 minutes, his cost $300 a month, your setup fee $2,500. He makes it back in 6 weeks. After that, pure recovered revenue and $300 to $500 a month to keep it running. One dentist, 8,000 in year one, 3 dentists in your zip code, 24,000, and you have not quit your day job. Now the trap to notice. Your instinct is, I need one more course, a certification, to learn Python, to feel ready. I refuse to let you say that. The dentist is not hiring a developer. He is hiring an adult who understands his problem and takes responsibility. Someone who shows up the second Tuesday like she said she would. The 25-year-old AI bros cannot do that part. They oversell. They disappear when something breaks. You with 40 years of professional judgment can do the part they cannot. That is the actual product. AI is the commodity. Your judgment is the rare part. Here is the move. Pick one type of small business in your zip code. Dentist, HVAC, roofer, med spa. Find one painful problem. Build a one-paragraph pitch, not a deck, a paragraph. Something like this. I noticed you probably miss about 30% of after-hours calls, about 40 to 70,000 a year in lost revenue. I install an AI receptionist that recovers most of those calls. Set up 2,500, monthly 300. You make it back in 6 weeks. I would love 15 minutes next Tuesday. A number, an outcome, a price, 15 minutes. Send it to 10 this week. 3 say yes to the meeting. 1 hires you. That is your first $5,000. This is not hustle. This is calm work. 1 business, 1 paragraph, 10 emails, a check. Your 40 years of judgment is the product. The AI is just the delivery mechanism. You are not unqualified. You are unfiltered. And the small business owner across the street has been waiting for someone exactly like you. I am Wahib Khairala. Stop studying. Start charging. Spirit, science, success, all on the same shelf. Subscribe. We have work to do and clients to close.